Okay. I want to share a little bit today. I want to be a little candid and a little transparent. Many of you who know me, who have been connected to me for a while, know that I had another group. I won't name it, but it was pretty huge. There might have been about 2,000, almost three, maybe four, I'm not even sure at this point, members in the group. But here's the thing, the group was free. So the group was free. Any and everybody was coming in. Although I had structure, so there were specific days that you can post specific stuff, you had the random spammers who would come and just see a group that big and want to jump in and just kind of, take the reins and do whatever they want to do. I had people who I considered friends who had positions, so they were moderating the group. And fast forward, one of the patterns that I've seen and started learning that once you are elevated, it seems like there are people who are the closest to you who will begin to take offense with that, right? So I can see people pulling back from me. I can sense it. I can feel it, right? And when you ask, they would say there was nothing wrong. But fast forward 6 months and my entire team was gone. So what did that mean for me? I was scratching my head. I thought maybe I'm not a good judge of character. Maybe I don't know who to trust. Maybe, and there were all sorts of maybes just rolling around in my head. So, here's the thing. When God plants a dream in you, as long as you water it with faith and just believe and, are allowing him to give you downloads and, strategies to put in place, that dream will never die. So I refuse to allow it to die. That's why I restructured everything according to how I was led and launched the Millionaire Lab. So I'm excited about this venture. Why? Because, I want to make it a family affair. I want it to be where we celebrate each other. When we're in town, in a specific state, and we know members live there, we get together, we have a lunch, we have dinner, we know each other's family. Am I looking for a 4,000 member group again? No, not really. But if it happens, I'm not opposed to that. I would love for it to stay intimate. I would love for it to, be at the level where everyone knows each other, because it's not too little and it's not too many. But, here's the thing. I can make a plan, but if his plan is bigger, I want to go with his plan. I don't know about you. I want to go with his plan. So, I'm here today to just say, regardless of who didn't support you, regardless of who left your life, they can't take your dream with them. Hold on to your dream. Keep watering it. And God will send people to help you water, help you build, right? So that's what it's all about here. I'm excited because I know many of you have launched things, are launching things. And, I'm being transparent because I'm urging you to be transparent as well. So what do you want to be transparent about? What do you want to share? What things are you struggling with? What things are you overcoming? Because realistically, we have to understand that, things that are going on in our lives can affect us in business, right? So we have to get our lives situated. I remember coaching clients, right, who wanted to launch this or do that, but they had to get over their fear of rejection, fear, period, the spirit of procrastination. All those things had to be overcome for them to become consistent in business and what they were doing. So feel free to just jump in and share, add feedback on what I'm saying, or just share your own struggle and triumph, because our test is a testimony. and you want to be able to share that so other people don't feel like they're alone, but they feel like, okay, she's gone through that too. I'm not nuts. I'm not cuckoo. Thank you, Jesus. You're in the right place, and I'm thankful for you here. I look forward to hearing all of your stories.